We're assembling our new CH100HD stand. And this video is relevant to the CH100HD and HD Plus. Our latest stand for 2019 is even more rigid than the older stands. You'll see there's a tab on here, and that's going to be for your ATV bead breaker. So we're going to have to orient that such that the triangle has a notch, and that's going to be faced directly over the tab. And you're going to get 16 of these screws. They're all the same. You want to get them started by hand, and then if you choose to, you can use an impact or a ratchet to finish them off. They're 5/16, 18 by a ½ inch. You do not need to use Loctite on this. Now this latest stand design is more rigid to support our latest CH or Cycle Hill frame arm assembly, which is improved for 2019. We've now gone to a 2" by 2" frame arm over the 1" by 2" for more rigidity. And the way this mounts makes that frame even more stable. Turn this over. We're going to put the base plate on. You're going to want to put the 2 screws in for your plate and block ahead of time in the countersunk holes, and orient the block also over the tab, align the 8 holes, and get them started by hand. Now this newest HD stand is adaptable and expandable, unlike our older system. So if you decided you wanted to turn this Cycle Hill CH100 into something that's like our classic, you can do that now. You can add a rear frame arm, overhead arm, and a different center post to create the CH100HD Plus. And then you could add the waist-high bead breaker kit, which adds our dog and cam blocks, scratch groove teeth, and a waist-high bead breaker. And once those are started by hand, tighten them up. Last, you have your bead breaker assembly. You have an ATV brake arm and an ATV breaker T. It comes with 2 shoulder bolts and a couple of nylocks. You've got 2 different height adjustments. You do not need to add any shim washers to this. It needs a little bit of wiggle room to adapt to different rims. The ATV cup paddle needs to be facing out. And tighten up your nylocks. And that's our new CH100HD stand. We're going to put together the frame arm assembly for your new CH100HD and HD Plus models. It's new for 2019. Our latest model has the enhanced, larger, stronger 2x2 square arms over our older 1x2 square arms. It has a much more rigid stand as well. So the easiest way to get started, I would lay out all your parts so you understand what you had to work with. You're going to have 3 large bolts and washers, which will go under the triangle corners to attach the frame to the stand. It comes with 3 posi clamps pre-assembled with the standard spools and pad on top, and the tall spools are included as well. You get your mount demount bar sub-assembly box with your tire lube paste, spray, spare tip, and handle and instructions. Also, this CH100 includes 3 different center posts, a 1/2-inch solid rod, 7-inch tube, and a 1-inch tube. You can purchase additionally, if you choose, our scratch-proof bead breaker, as well as a yellow vent tool, very handy for most street tires. So what we're going to do, we have 12 of the 5/16 18 by 1/2-inch socket head screws, and we're going to get this Y assembly. So I would start by screwing the top first. There's a weld on the Y, which is going to be the bottom. Set that on a flat table, and you have 3 frame arms. They're all identical except for one has your number system. There's a large weld nut which will be on the bottom, which will then attach to the frame with the large bolts. So we'll start by carefully getting your screws started by hand. You don't want to jump right into these with a power tool. It's just not wise. And right now, it doesn't matter the orientation of the number system. That'll matter when we attach it to the stand. And we're going to get the 6 screws started on top, and we're going to flip the frame over and get the bottom started as well. The screws attached to the frame arms through a forged hole in the frame arm. Screws are going to self-align the frame once you start to tighten. Your frame is assembled. So you're going to turn the 3 weld nuts side down onto the triangle, and generally we'll turn the number system facing the bead breaker side. Generally it's configured on the left frame arm, so that you're facing it when you're using it. So you have a bolt and a washer, the 1/2-13 thread, get those started as well by hand. They should fit perfectly. And then you can tighten those with a wrench or ratchet or impact. Today we're using an impact because it's quick. And you'll notice that the number system will correlate to the size of the wheel. Posi clamps drop and lock into the frame arms. This changer grips, it's new changer grips, a 10-21-inch wheel, and it has a bead breaker clearance of up to about 230 wide. Some people have been known to squeeze a little bit bigger wheels in there, but 230 is about the maximum that we recommend for that. Next, watch your mount demount bar assembly video, and all of our videos online showing how to use the products. This is the assembly of our very popular patented mounting mount bar. A lot of people buy these to use with other changers, but they do work best with a Nomar tire changer. So in the box, you're going to get a pre-assembled mounting mount bar like this. It's got a decal that says install handle here and an arrow. You're going to get a handle, the set screws pre-installed, an Allen key, an instruction sheet, tire lube paste, very popular, voted best tire lube by Motorcycle Consumer News a few years ago. You also get one spare D-mount tip for the single D-mount end, probably the only consumable on this bar, but very tough. And you also get a spray bottle and nozzle. So the first thing you want to do is to put the handle on the bar. The bar won't work right without it. Not an option. You gotta have it on there. Face the handle in the general direction of the arrow, and then cover up that decal. And you want to really tighten these screws because there's going to be a lot of force going through this handle into the bar. So pretty much as tight as you can get that. And you want the angle of this almost horizontal. You want your hand to be able to grip the handle and just clear the tire. If this is up on an angle, or over here, it's not going to work. The handle and its location is designed to counter any twist that you're going to have pulling this bar around. And I assure you this is the best position for the handle. So next you have the tire lube paste. The tire lube paste has instructions on mixing. So the way this is used, the paste is applied directly to the tire for mounting, and for removal, we'll dilute some of it in the spray bottle to jet down into the crack between the tire and the rim. The mixing instructions are on the paste, but so you know, 2 tablespoons in a mug of water, your coffee cup, warm it up in a microwave, stir it up, pour it in your bottle, and you're good to go on that. You should be able to change 40 or 50 tires on a pint. We do have it in 7-pound containers as well. There's an instruction sheet, shows basics on how to use no bar, as well as assembly. You do want to see all of our videos online to see exactly how this tool is supposed to work. Make sure you're watching an official Nomar video. They'll have our logo on the video. Now, there may be other tools that you need besides this for certain tires, such as our patent spoon bars, which were originally designed for the Honda Goldwing GL1800, used only for installation on that rear tire. They're also helpful for getting the first portion of certain tires over a rim, say a Harley wheel, steel, spoke, sharp edge. Using 2 of those will help get the tire put on, as well as a lot of hard dual sport tires. Some of the BMW GS's, say a Heidenau K60, they're very helpful using the spoon bars. Also, a yellow thin tool. A lot of people get these. Very helpful on street tires, getting the wheel chock so it doesn't creep around. So check out our accessories. We have videos on how all this stuff works. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your tire machine.